You look like you've seen more restful
I was
days.
gonna say, you look like you need to sleep 3 more hours and lose 20 pounds.
And find Jesus.
Find Jesus.
I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving, wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. I just give 200% every day cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life, I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation.
Did you take his bone?
Maybe.
You better drop that. You drop it right now. Your bone is right here. Here's the bone. Molly,
Why is this so much?
thank you. Come over here and get your own bone. Come on. Come on. Walk of shame. Bye, Nancy. My way to work right now. And it's like that ongoing battle of when you're shifting. And if you own your own business, or even if you don't own your own business, but you work for someone, but you want to make a change, this is the transitional phase that like I haven't heard anyone talk about. It's when you have that love-hate relationship with the work that you do. And the reason for that is because you don't want to be there filling the role that you have been filling up to this point, but then you want to be there because you make a living, you know what I mean? So it fills up a role, like it fulfills that purpose of allowing me to make an income, but at the same time it really doesn't serve the purpose of actually fueling my soul. Right? So every little thing will kind of aggravate me that is kind of associated with that, especially when I see how petty and how small and pivotal those complaints and conversations are with people in the clinic. And I always kind of just walk away like, are you kidding me right now? There's so many bigger problems to kind of worry about, and you decide to be passive aggressive about like the tiny micro things that really won't matter within a month. So it's just astonishing to see that. And then in the meanwhile, I always kind of go into work with like a little bit of a sense of bittersweetness, because what I really want to do is actually create more, become more creative, and really like allow myself the creative expression of just creating stuff that actually makes me happy, rather than providing a service that can be replaced by anyone. It doesn't matter if it's me, and especially when I have like clients this becomes evident when I see clients canceling the same day. It's like, oh, I just like don't feel like it. Like they cancel for like dumb reasons. It always just kind of leaves me with such a sense of bittersweetness, because I'm like, let's call it what it is. I don't want to be doing the thing that I'm doing, and you don't want me to be doing the thing that I said that I'm doing, because you don't value me. So like, what are we doing here? Let me do the thing that actually makes me happy, and then I don't know, I think that like we'll all be better off, don't you think? You know what I mean? So I was gonna go through that. Once I'm there, I'm okay, because it's a beautiful space. I created it. Obviously, it's nice. It's calming. It gives me the energy that I was hoping to give me, but it's just like, if you're transitioning the same way I am, I so feel you, and I invite you to just feel all of it, because give yourself the opportunity to feel this, feel the frustration, feel the anger, feel the disappointment, feel all of those things, because it will be important, you know. So I just finished my interview with a potential therapist, and it went smooth, but it also kind of always makes me a little weary when I hate doing interviews when I'm doing more talking than they are, you know what I mean? Because then I have a hard time gauging of like where they're at. But it went smooth. So let's hope that it works. I also have to kind of believe that certain people come into your path for a specific reason. So let's just keep hoping that. Let's just keep staying within that. You know what I mean? If you run a business, you're always on guard, and you know this. You always have to kind of stay on to know that. Just make sure that you're okay. Today is another busy day. I have my weeks and my little traveler's notebook packed, because we're going to be going into the clinic a little bit earlier. I do have an interview in about half an hour, so I need a little bit of time to actually set up. Noah just woke up, so he's probably going to have some lunch with grandma, and I am done early today, but I'm also very proud to say that I have finished updating all of the short form socials. So Instagram is updated on the clinic site, which is really impressive, and stories are updated, TikToks are filmed. I still have to edit them and upload them, which is very minimal work. And then after that, all I have left for today that I'm kind of planning on doing is making dinner and probably filming at least one of the videos. Well, I'm filming this right now for you, which is our vlog update. But I also want to be able to. I also want to be able to start at least filming the beginning part of the currently inked video. Honestly, the reason why it's not ready is because I'm waiting on more ink. That's pretty much it. I'm waiting on some inks that I want to kind of load up in my pens, because I've already like made this video, but I'm just not like happy with it. Isn't that weird? Also, side note, okay, if you're watching this, Heather just left a comment on my Hobonichi Weeks Plan With Me videos, and honestly, like comments like this just legit make my day. She said, this is my first Hobo Weeks, and I am head over heels in love with the compact size. I've changed up how I plan, and I found a fit that works for me, and it's mainly functional and minimal decor. I love how minimal you plan, and yet your spreads are gorgeous and functional. Like, can we please talk about how kind you guys are? Like, thank you. I so appreciate you. You have no idea. Thank you.
Baby, can we kill this butterfly? Always takes too long, yeah, too long. I ain't got all weekend. We had a good run, yeah, good run, but the clock is ticking. I gotta move on, yeah, move on. I got things to do. all without you. Tell me how I can make this easier. Yeah, guide me. I don't want you to get too hurt. There's no need for screams or shouts or ugly words. No, I'm done with getting hate from love. You see, love. You see, love. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. Too long. Move on my own. I've been loving you for too long. I know you're eager to move on with us, but you know I never do the long-term stuff, so let go and hope for better luck next time, 'cause I'm done with time-consuming love, you see. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. Too long.
닿든 말듯한 손끝 사이로 네 마음이 내게 온 건 어쩔 수 없지만 What can I do? 렉지를 돌려놓고 펜만 손에 쥐고 있어 I'm sick and tired 어떻게 세상이고 있어 Tell me what you wanna do 아물지도 못한 상처 속에 의미를 찾고 있는 날 Tell me what you want